Okay, now that we have some arrays, we'll have some for loops. We'll show a for loop. Okay, so for. All right, let's do this array string. Okay. Now, just like in Rust, but it's very similar to Rust, how you write an anonymous or closure function, or closure, right? Array string, and then you put the variable, right there, right? And then bam, okay? So now we'll do print. S. We'll put a /t in there, and then /n, so it'll move it over. Okay, I haven't tried that. Maybe that /t won't work, but we'll find out. All right, so okay, and then I knew it was going to blow up at me. This I was interfering, so let's call this val. Okay, that I was interfering with that I for whatever reason. So let's put val. Okay, let's see if that works. Okay, so you can see puts the tab in there, quarter life is the man. You got it, right? Okay, and then we can do the index as well. So we'll put we'll call this IND, okay? And then, you know what, we'll put a /n after this so that this doesn't collide with what we're doing here, right? This is a new line character, right? So put a dash in there, and then we'll put put two curly brackets, and then we'll put IND over here, so you can see what index of the array it is, right? All right. So it's that, and run it. And you can see 0, 1, 2, 3. It shows you the index of each one, right? All right. There's also a while loop in here, right? So what I'm about to do might actually be an anti-pattern, but this is the way I'm gonna explain this. Okay, so var, let's call this M because we already have an I. And we'll put U64. You have to do that because in order to iterate through over an array, you have to, for whatever reason, you have to use a U64 because it says that it can represent all of the values you need inside of an array. Okay, so while, and we'll put M is less than or equal to, we'll say SL, this variable right here, this array right here, SL dot len minus 1. And we'll print, we'll put, you can see I already did this, but okay, well, all right, I'll print, put /t /n, okay, and then we'll put SL M, and then at the end we'll put M plus equals 1 so that it increments. Okay, so zig run, then it blew up at me. Okay, so what we got here? What did I do wrong? Oh, I didn't put these damn things around here. Okay. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay? So you can use a while loop and a for loop. Okay?